Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine, right? So, come back to your question answers. Now, we will do question number 4, match the following. Okay, students? So, first of all, maize leaf. What is its answer? Its answer is parallel venation. Here, 1. Mango leaf, its answer is reticulate venation. 2. Onion bulb, its answer is scale leaves. Leaf, its answer is stomata. Kitchen of the plant. Kitchen of the plant. Then gaseous exchange in plants, stomata. Okay, students? Two, 1, 4, 5, 3. Now, students, come on. Next question. State the functions of the following. First is leaf tendril. So, start writing in here. You have to write the function of this. So, write to provide, PROVIDE, to provide suitable, 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 support, SUPPORT, support. Again I am telling you, to provide suitable support in climbing, CLIMBING, climbing of the weak, WEEK, weak stem, STEM, stem. Climbing of the weak stem. Again I am telling you, to provide suitable support in climbing of the weak stem. This is the answer of which question? Leaf tendril. Now, leaf spines. Students, write in this, to provide, PROVIDE, to provide protection, 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 to provide protection, and and to reduce, REDUCE, reduce water, WATER, water loss. So, what is the answer of this question? Leaf spines, to provide protection and to reduce water loss. Okay, students? Now, we will come on give one word for the following. Number 1. The point of attachment of the leaf to the stem. Students, what is that called? The point of attachment of the leaf to the stem. What is that point called? LEAF, leaf base. BASE, leaf base. This is answer number 1. Okay. Second, the bud present in the axil of leaf. What is its answer? Answer is axillary bud. EXILLARY, axillary bud. BUD, bud. Second answer is axillary bud. Axillary bud. Now, third, a process by which plants make their own food. Okay, what is its answer? Yes, you know very well. Its answer is photosynthesis. 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 Okay, students, write this spelling. Fifth, the tiny pores through which air enters the leaves. Sorry, one question left. Fourth, a process of leaves that keeps cool the plant. A process of leaves that keep cool the plant. Answer is, students, transpiration. 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 Okay, students. Now come on question number 5th. The tiny pores through which air enters the leaves. The tiny pores through which air enters the leaves. What is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is stomata. 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 Okay, students. Then next, sixth, a space between two nodes. A space between two nodes. Answer is, students, answer is internode. INTER, internodes. NODES. INTERNODES. Internodes. This is answer number 6. Now answer number 7. A white thin part of a leaf. Answer is LEAF, leaf, blade. BLADE, blade. LEAF, leaf, blade. BLADE, leaf, blade. Then 8th answer, the plants that feed on the insects. The plants feed on the insects. What is its answer? Insectivorous plants. INSECTIVOROUS. Insectivorous plant. PLANT. Again, I am telling you the spelling. INSECTIVOROUS. Insectivorous plant. Okay, students. Now we will continue our question answers. Answer the following in short. So what is its answer, students? Question number 1. Give one example of leaf modification. Write its answer. LEAF, leaf. Tendril, TENDRIL, tendril. In sweet, SWEET, sweet. PEAP. Leaf tendril in sweet pea. Leaf tendril in sweet pea. Second question, students. Name a plant that has reticulate venation in its leaves. Name a plant that has reticulate venation in its leaves. Answer is, students, MANGO, mango. Tree, TREE, tree. MANGO, mango. TREE, tree. Okay students, now students, question number 3. Which type of leaf venation is found in leaves? Students, write here parallel, PARALLEL, parallel. Venation, VENATION, venation. Parallel venation. Then from the question you will write is found in the leaves of banana plant. Okay students, so how you will write? PARALLEL, parallel venation. Then from the question, is found in the leaves of banana plant. Okay students, now question number 4. Give 2 important functions of the leaf. Students, first function, TO2, prepare. PREPARE, prepare food. FOOD, food. To prepare food. And second, write transpiration. TRANSPIRATION, transpiration. TRANSPIRATION, transpiration. So students, up till here for today. Tomorrow we will continue in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Okay students, thank you.